Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free bitch flying out the cage. And shorty try to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made is ringing like I got engaged. But my guys I wouldn't trade. Ay, from the cradle to the grave. Hey, Gordo got me on a wave. And got me on a wave.
The cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Brianamccalip, and you're tuning in to another hair tutorial, y'all. Yes, another hair tutorial. And let me tell y'all, I swear, I don't know, for some reason it just seems like every hair that I touch, it eats, okay? But this one specifically eats because it's low maintenance. Like, all you gotta do is basically pop this on your head, put some water in it, and you on about to go. You can also curl this. You can wand curl it if you want, because it already has that curl texture to it. So you can put some wands in it and it'll be really beautiful. I just wanted to keep the hair in its natural state. The only thing that I wanted to show y'all is how I lay down this lace, how I got this lace right. This wig, this is my first, I think this is my first time working with them too, y'all. This is my first time working with them, and when I say this wig is beautiful, it is beautiful. This is Hermosa hair, y'all. Hermosa hair. They sent over this beautiful curly wig. This is a 13x4 lace front 22-inch deep wave wig, y'all, and the density is 220%. And let me tell you, it is beautiful. Okay, when I say a lot of hair, thick. And I love it, because when them curls get into that water, it's beautiful. When it dries up, it's going to get even bigger. But that's what it is when it comes to any kind of curl texture. When you wet it, it has this beautiful wave to it. And then when it's not wet, it poofs up and be like this big afro-y type of vibe, y'all. And I absolutely love both versions. However, I did wet it a little bit and it will dry. However, to keep the curl texture, you are going to need a deep conditioner or like some kind of curl cream, so that the curl definition can stay and it won't be big and poofy. But I like it in this state, so that's why I didn't put any. I did have a little bit left. However, I didn't want to put nothing in this. I just wanted to show y'all exactly how this wig is laid on my hair. Like, I mean, that's why I didn't put no baby hairs. I didn't put any baby hairs because I wanted to see what Hermosa hair was working with. And let me tell you, they ate every step of the way. I want y'all to get right over to the tutorial. So if y'all want to see how I laid this wig down and what this wig is giving, y'all, I put this wig so good, baby. This tutorial, okay? If y'all want to see how I laid this wig down and how I slayed this wig to the T on my head, what I'm gonna need y'all to do, I'm gonna need y'all to keep on watching. Hey y'all, welcome. Let's get right into it, y'all. So Hermosa was kind enough to sponsor this video, y'all, and we're gonna get right into this bag. They sent me over a wig. Also, what came in this bag were some lashes, and then after the lashes, they sent over some caps and also a lace band, y'all. And I like the thick lace bands because let me tell you, it melted down. So I took the wig out the bag, y'all. This is a 22-inch 13x4 frontal, and the frontal looks really good, but y'all know I had to go ahead and bleach and pluck it off camera. So this is how it looks, and after that I went ahead and bleached and plucked it. And this is also the curl pattern. So right here is when I bleached and plucked it. Like I said, I get better every time I do a wig because I know exactly what I'm doing now. Like I said, back in the day when I used to get wigs, and I used to have a lot of wigs. I remember I used to have so many wigs, y'all. It would be too much, and I was doing free promotion. I didn't know what to do, so I was just like testing it out. But I'm telling you, as you keep doing it and as years progress, you're going to get better at it. But this wig was a curly wig, so I really didn't have to do much to it but to pluck, bleach the front too, and put it on my head. So I just want to show you exactly how this wig laid down and exactly how this curl pattern looked. So let's get into it. So I want to take one of the caps that they sent me already in the bag, and I am going to cut out both ear tabs. That's the one of the ear tabs that I cut out, and then this is the other one. So I just basically make a slit, and then I put my ear right through that hole. And I am also going to just take some even extreme hold spray, and I'm going to spray that hairline. I be trying to get as close to the hairline as possible. Why? Because I don't really like all that cap to be all the way down. I'll leave a little bit, but I want it to be as close to the hairline as possible. I don't need anything like on my forehead, because my forehead is not that big, so I don't want too much where the lace is coming down to my eyebrows. Like, no, we're not gonna have that. So after that is dry, I did go ahead and sit under the dryer so that it could get hard. Sometimes when you don't do that or don't let it sit for a minute, what happens is it like rolls up and it's not gonna have a bomb cap install. So I let that dry, and then I kind of rolled the lace up to the hairline as close as possible. Like I said, it doesn't matter really if you have a little bit left, that's fine. So I am just cutting off the excess of the cap on each side. I don't know why it's always so hard for me to cut off the right side, because I told y'all I have keratoconus in my eyes, so I really can't see much, okay? And I feel like as years go by, it's getting worse. So I am gonna have surgery for that. However, right now I don't have it at the moment, so it's gonna get worse. But y'all just basically cut the excess lace off, and make sure you're cutting off every bit that you do not want on there. So I'm gonna cut off this edge piece. So moving right along, I learned this trick on TikTok, y'all. Her name, I don't know if I should put the video on the side, but what she did was like turn her wig around, because sometimes I have my mom cut it, so I was like, you know what, let me do it myself. I went ahead and did what she did. So what you're gonna do is start from the middle of that earlobe, and then wherever the hump of the ear is, where you have to like pull the hair back at, is where you're gonna go. You're gonna go around your ear. And I cut a little bit underneath from that blue line. So use a white marker or a white eyeliner, something white instead. So I sized it up, and it really worked, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. It worked. And I was so happy, like, oh my God. And like I said, I was so happy doing this whole wig install, because everything just came out so right for me. Like, I didn't even have to add baby hairs, and I don't really know how to do baby hairs. So if I can get a wig install right every time, I would not do it, no baby hairs. My problem is just trying to figure out, why does my lace still look a little white after I applied makeup on it? It doesn't really look like that in person, but I don't know, y'all. Like I said, I have to try this mousse, and I have to get it. My next wig install, I'm definitely going to try mousse to see if that works. And then if it does, I'm going to continue to use that moussey, like tint. So now I'm just putting on some glue. I added 3 coats, y'all. Y'all going to see me add just 1, but I added 3 coats, and that was Erica J watermelon glue, hold me down glue adhesive. And I'm just going to put that hairline right on top where that glue stops. So right where that hairline is, I'm going to lay that lay it right on top of the glue, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Because I don't want to go back and apply extra glue, or you know what I'm saying, I don't want to go back and cut it and it is glue. I mean, well, let me take that back. I don't want to go and start to cut and it's not on the glue strip, and I have to take the wig off and pull it up more. Like, no, I don't want to do that. I'd rather add the glue than to do what I just said. So after I do that, I go ahead and take my comb, start combing the hair back and pressing it down to make sure everything is secure, because we need that wig to be locked down, okay? Who pulling out hair? Nobody. Because if they is, it ain't gonna come off, because baby, it's locked down for sure. Period. No. So I'm just basically combing it back and pressing it down, combing it back, pressing it down. Now I'm gonna make a part. I didn't really make a part as much. I just made like a little side part. I don't know why, but I just love my side parts. But look at this slay. Look at this meltdown, y'all. Before the lace even is cut, look at that melt, baby. What? I find it beneficial now to go in with a razor than a scissor, because when I say I just want y'all to really watch this part. Watch this part. Look how me like really taking my time and cutting that lace off with this razor is making it look. It looks so god dang good. Look at that lace melting. Hermosa, send me some more hair. Okay? Y'all go ahead and send me some more hair. We could do another collab if y'all want. Because baby, y'all hair is eating. And this is the type of hair that I would take on a vacation. But I'll let somebody else do the install. However, this is the type of hair that I would take on a vacation, because it is it. It is it. The lace is giving, and I love it. And this isn't HD lace either, y'all. This is, I think it's transparent lace. Yeah. Because y'all know HD lace has those raggedy ends on the lace. And I thought I thought I cut my eyebrow. But I don't think I did. I think it was like that before. Like, be careful with that razor, because look what I did. I don't know if y'all see my finger, but on my ring finger where the ring is, I have this razor that I usually cut with my eyebrows with. And I was digging for my tweezers last night on this same tutorial. So I don't know if you'll see like a cut. It's like really bad. It's like deep to almost where you see the white meat. But look at that. Look at that. Girl, this razor is giving. And I cut myself and it kept bleeding, and I had to like wait, but it's gonna heal. I'm like, I need to be more careful. And then my eye is red because when I went to go do makeup for my cousin downtown, I poked my eye with the ring light stick. Like, oh my god, girl, it's just too much. Y'all gonna see it in the upcoming vlog. But y'all, look at that melt. I did have to go in and kind of like roll some of that glue off, and that's what I was talking about right there, but not too much, just a little bit, so that it won't be glue sitting right there, if you get what I'm saying. So now what I'm doing is I am basically taking that what is that? I'm taking that even spray, right girl, what am I saying, that even extreme hold spray, and I'm just spraying this down. Now it's time to melt this all in. After I melt this all in, y'all, after putting that band on, makeup is about to be done. Okay, boom, here it comes. Oh, do y'all see that? I just slayed that look. I slayed that look. This look will be on Instagram real video, so go ahead and click on my Instagram link, will be in the description right below. If y'all don't see my social networks, they will be down in the description right below. So all you gotta do is click down there and you will see it. Because I didn't have enough space, and I keep telling y'all I don't have enough memory. I have to order another memory card so that I can record a tutorial separate from here. So it actually has to be more than 3 memory cards if I'm recording in HD, and I love the quality. So what I did was go ahead and part these it into a side, and then hot combed the front part, sprayed it down with some wax. I love this one because it's not as oily. Sprayed it down with some wax, and then I started to flatten it. Okay, we love a good hot comb. We love a good hot comb, because baby, without the hot combs, we're gonna look really poofy. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I am going to use this water spray, this bottle, and I'm going to basically activate these curls to be really pretty. Like I said, you can use what is it, like a moisturizer for the curls to stay, but I just went ahead and wet it and left it in its natural state. But I do still have it on my head. I will probably use some curl activator to keep those beautiful curls in. But this is it, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all on the outro. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to also go follow Hermosa Hair on all social media sites. Their links will be down description below, and also the link to this wig specifically, the same exact wig that I have on my head, will be in the description bar below. So go ahead and check that out and shop with them. I need to do a giveaway. I need to do a giveaway. Y'all hear me? Comment down below if y'all would wear this wig, and I would want to know, would y'all keep it curly or would y'all add curls to it? Like, I want to know if y'all would do that. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you all on my next hair tutorial.